Hey guys, I'm Lunari, and today I'm going to be showing you how I draw eyes. So first, I like to find the middle of the face by making a T, and then I start sketching the shape of the eye by just making short lines and kind of building up the shape until I like how it looks. I like to leave little tapered lines sometimes at the edges. Now I am filling in the sclera to kind of fill in the rest of the shape and figure out where the rest of the lower lash line would be. Now I'm adding in some lashes. I like to have one lash that goes inwards and have the rest facing out. As you can see here, I move the eyes down a little bit, and I believe that makes the characters look a little bit younger. And with the face shape and everything that I've already had drawn out in the base, I figured it would suit the character. Also, if you raise the eyes, if you put them higher on the face, then the character usually looks more mature and older. Now I'm adding in the eye fold and figuring out what I'm going to do with the eyebrows. I made a few different shapes, but I ended up with that kind of blocky looking eyebrow. Here I'm adding in a bit of detail lines at the edges. Filling in that eyebrow. Then I flipped the image completely by putting everything in one folder. The lashes, the sclera, and the eyebrows. I put them all on their own layers and put them into one folder. And from there, you can copy the folder, and all you have to do is flip it in transform, and you can position it however you want to. Now I am experimenting with the shapes of the eye. It took me a while to figure out just the shape that I wanted it, but once I finally got it, I copied the layer and flipped it so that I can move it to the other side. Then I just sketch the shape of the pupil and do the same thing, flip it onto the other side. Then I chose to use a sort of orangey yellowish color because I thought it matched well with the purple skin tone. And I lowered the opacity of the pupil before picking a slightly darker orange and blurring that onto the surface, kind of making a shade. I went for a darker brown, but I think I changed this later on because I didn't like the brown. I didn't think it mixed well. Now I'm going in with a lighter yellow. I make this kind of bean shape, and then I blur it. I think it gives it a little bit more depth. Then I get a white color and put a little dot in the middle of that. Then I changed the shading layer to add, and I Gaussian blur that. Then I get a light blue and put it underneath the eyelashes so it looks like the shade from the eyelashes. And I put that on a multiply shading layer and lower the opacity. Now I am making the highlights of the eye, and I also turn that to a add shading layer and lower the opacity and mess with Gaussian blur. My art doesn't quite look right without some blush on it, so I added some of that here just real quick. And this is how I draw eyes.